We are pleased to show you the 2015 Acura TLX. The Acura TLX impresses drivers with its nimble handling, great fuel economy, and long list of high-tech features. It comes with an extremely quiet interior, spacious front seats, and smooth ride quality. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, traction control, stability control, braking assist, ambient lighting, power brakes, airbags, driver, knee, electronic messaging assistance with read function, tapless fuel filler system, cruise control. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.
Here's another high-quality vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.